It's quite interesting how you can mellow and navigate through current issues with a horror film. That's something out of the box for me. It's the first time I saw this kind of concept. Pero parang most of it kasi current issues yung tinakal dito sa pelikula. Pero ang galing lang ng mga talon ng eksena. You don't know what's real and what's nasaan na yung reality ng character ni Barbie dito, which is Luna. So kudos to the writers, of course. And syempre kay Barbie, a huge congratulations to the cast, but most especially to Barbie. Job well done. Pinataob mo na naman silang lahat. Congrats.
Last question na po, napaisip po ba kayo sa buong movie? May part na kinabahan ka ba?
Paano ba? Napagod ako para kay Barbie. This is a very taxing role for her. And I know that she's filming this hand in hand with Pulang Araw. So grabe, I mean, yun yung gusto ko kasi dyan kay Barbs kaya masarap siyang katrabaho at saka masarap siyang kasama. Yung pag meron siyang something on her plate, hindi siya nagbibigay ng half day. She always gives it there for all. So hindi mo makita yung character niya as Adelina sa Pulang Araw dito. This is very different and parang everything was laid out perfectly for me. I like the film very much.
Nakarelate ka po ba kay Luna in any way?
Yes, tama kasi si Barbie. Minsan talagang hindi lahat ng taong malakas palaging malakas. I'd like to commend that statement. Because we live in a world where we wear a lot of masks every day. Depende sa kausap, depende sa kaharap. But yeah, I think there's nothing wrong. Especially, I think it's more of that this goes to the families and friends. Always check on someone. Kamustahin niyo sila. Malaking bagay yun. I mean, hindi kawalan sa oras at kawalan sa pagkatao ang pangangamusta sa mga taong mahalaga sa iyo. So, that's the reminder that this film made me realize.
Last na po, ano po ka-proud kay Barbie?
Super. I mean, parang ano kasi si Barbs fine wine. Habang tumatagal, kumbaga kung pasarap ng pasarap siya, pagaling ng pagaling. Pwede na rin yung masarap. Kidding.
Okay,
please invite everyone to watch P77.
July
13,
no? Yes. Yan, so to everyone, grabe, you're gonna be missing out if you're not gonna be able to watch Penthouse 77. Of course, starring Barbie Fortesa. This is a very smart film. It's a very unusual horror film that tackles current issues with its storytelling. So panoorin niyo po July 30 in cinemas nationwide.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ikaw na ng tito doon. Nasaan na? Ba't di pa ako tinetext ng form ko?
Matagal pa naman.
Yung kay tito doon pala. Hindi niya nakuha yung gas natin. Hindi pa ganun yan. Sorry. Oh, bakit? Late ako nito. Question ako sa Bulacan. Anong tawag dito?
Your reaction.
Very proud. And mind you guys, ginagawa ni Barbie itong Penthouse 77 while she's doing Pulang Araw. And ako yung napagod sa kanya for this film. This is a very taxing film. Ang laki ng demand sa lead character, but she was able to deliver it flawlessly. I've never seen Barbie like this. And parang this film says a lot about her acting skills and range. So, congratulations, nakaka-proud ka, Barbs. Tumatakbo ka pa niyan on the side, Ang galing mo rin. Ikaw, kamusta ka? Ano masasabi mo sa mga Koreans na...
Hoy! Ngayon lang tayo nagsita.
Hindi na tayo nagkita. Kamusta
ano ba?
Dito pwede si Tita Angel, pwede si Kuya Sam. Basta ready yun anytime.
Okay, thank you.
Opo. Barbie, what do you
Mga palong-palong actress of 2020.
Uy, dito naman.
Alden dito rin sa likod.
Dito sa likod,
Alden ikot naman. Barbie.
Barbie.
Barbie dito naman sa likod.
Barbie.
Barbie. Alden dito naman sa likod.
Alden.
Ayan. Barbie.
Pelikula mo to.
Kasi nga
Di ba, Miss Ana Pingol?
Grabe yung pinataob mo silang lahat, sabi ni Alden. Ano?
Alden.
Pwede bang best actress?
Oo.
Grabe naman yun. Child actress, okay lang.
Take note, ginagawa pa niya yung pulang araw, no? So,
Ganon din ang ginawa nung Hello!
Hello,
Love
love your
Everybody, ang ating action queen.
Ano ba, video ba?
Ayan, thank you.
Pinag-ihiwalay ko na nga yung mata ko eh.
Paano?
Ganon.
Pagod
Hindi
na pagod
ganon.
eh.
Hindi pagod na pagod eh.
Oo eh, sabi ko.
Thank you ah.
Thank you.
Ano ba yung Alden?
Ano bang
Tignan mo.
exciting?
Hindi ako nag-isa.
Hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos ang kanilang chikahan.
Bakit? Sige na.
Uy, andyan si James Sam.
Hindi ganon. Wala yun. Ito na.
Barbie
Thank you
solid
po.
na ka-green.
Hello po.